Question number 26. A diffraction grating with n lines per meter is used to diffract light of various wavelengths lambda. Okay. The graph shows the relationship between diffraction angle theta lambda for different wavelengths in nth order interference pattern. The moment you say interference pattern, nth order interference pattern, which formula will you use? You will use a formula d sin theta is equal to n lambda, where n is the order. Okay, is the nth order is also here. Okay, what is the gradient of the graph? Gradient. What is gradient here? Difference in y values, difference divided by difference in x values, sin theta divided by lambda. Now you see, you use this equation. First, get this sin theta by lambda here, which means sin theta divided by lambda, sin theta by lambda is equal to n divided by d over here. Now you see, you have n here, but d is not there. Now, what is this capital N here? N lines per meter, which means what? You have this much lines in a diffraction grating, this per meter. What is this d here? D is the distance between one line and the other line, right? So we know that if you have n lines per meter, then d should be equal to 1 by n, reciprocal of this. If I substitute this value, sin theta by n, which is nothing but your slope will now be equal to n divided by 1 by n, which would be equal to n into capital N. Thus the right answer is option A.